Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Mumford Family Living. So today we're going to do a video on something we've seen on Facebook. The Oreo microwave cake. Anyway, we're going to take just whatever Oreo you want flavor. This one here we picked marshmallows and cookies. It's got pieces of marshmallow and chocolate chips in it. Anyway, we're going to take these. If you're doing a mug, you might only need about 4. But we're going to try this thing and see how many we can get up in here. They don't take a whole lot. I would say maybe about that. And then you just take your milk, pour it about halfway up the cookies. That right there. And wait a minute for it to soften up, and you can start taking a fork and punching it, which I'll show here in a second. Kind of get them exposed a little bit more.
Speak up.
Kind of get them exposed a little bit more to the milk. Let's see. You just keep breaking it apart. It'll turn kind of a doughy consistency. See, this one's already good and soft. Basically, you'll just go until you get all the big pieces combined and broke down. It don't take this long in a cup because you got fewer cookies in it. Almost there. Okay, now we're going to take it. We're going to put it in the microwave for about a minute. Might take a little longer being bigger, but we'll see.
Can talk while you're waiting. How you gonna sit here?
Well, like I said, this might take more than a minute being bigger, but we'll find out. I'm gonna have to test it. You want it when it comes out, it'll look like a moist cake consistency.
Hi. So, what kind of topping should we put on this?
I don't know, so I was trying to figure out maybe whipped cream, or if we had some cream cheese frosting, that'd probably be good over it.
Yeah, that'd be good. For now, let's settle for some Cool Whip.
Cool Whip.
And there's also some pudding in there.
Also maybe a chocolate pudding on it.
I don't know about chocolate pudding, but I would just get Cool Whip.
Yeah.
Cool Whip and some sprinkles, maybe.
Oh, I see it there. Alright, here we go. Oh, it rose a little bit.
You get done? That ain't done. It's still liquidy in the middle.
It's basically almost the same idea of cooking a cake in the oven. You want it so it's cooked all the way through. I'm going to do about another 30 seconds. In a mug with only 4 cookies, it took only a minute, and it was done. And it was just right. It was just.
If you add more cookies to this one.
Yeah, this one had more cookies and had more milk.
So it probably takes a little bit longer time.
Yeah.
If you use a coffee mug, the recommended time is a minute.
Yeah.
With 4 cookies.
And like I said, milk about halfway up the cookies for your
cookies
measurement.
or the mug?
The cookies.
Okay, so I turn
about
the cookies
halfway up, so that way when they lean over, they're all covered, but they're not overflowing.
Right.
Now I'm about done. Another way you can check it. Hang on, let me get to
Here, right here, right here.
You got one? Oh, yeah, right there. You can take this toothpick, just like you would in the oven. If it comes out clean, then it's good to go.
Is it clean?
Yep.
All right.
So, I'm sure it's going to be warm.
This is going to be mine. Thank you. Yeah. You guys get to make your own here in a second. Set that there.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely done.
Here's the results. That looks sensational.
Sensational Steven.
Give me a spoon.
Spoon.
Hold that.
Call him Sensational Steven.
Come around here so I can get in light.
Cool whip.
You use that like a frosting.
Mm-hmm.
I would drizzle some chocolate on it.
Yeah, there's chocolate syrup, I think, in there. Hang on.
Right down the door.
Let's see. Hang on. Well, this one's not open.
Look on the shelf or something. If I had one open, get one.
Maybe not. I thought we had one open. So Hershey's chocolate syrup.
I'm gonna get heavy with it, just drizzle.
Drizzle. Drizzle my nizzle.
Yeah, like that. Alright, that's good. Oh my god.
Makes me think of that lava cake from. I bet ice cream would be good with that.
That's what I was thinking too, some vanilla.
Chili's.
I was thinking of that walnut. Black Forest walnut.
Oh, yeah.
Ice cream with that. Oh my god. Mary Jane Mumford's gonna strike. Here, put that up. We don't need that. It's gonna be.
I'll make it mine now.
Alright, get this right in a second. Before you get all bossy at me.
Okay. More like the opposite.
Here kind of the freaking taste test. Look at that. Are you looking at that? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. This is really good. And I'm not just saying that. I mean,
I know. Look at the.
really got really good flavor.
It's really moist.
It's real moist and soft and chocolatey. And I love a good chocolate cake.
Mm-hmm.
I would make this. I'm in a lot of trouble now. I am going to be making this.
That's
shit
just
out
too
of it.
easy.
That's just too easy and too good.
Too good to be true.
Well, whoever on YouTube or Facebook or whoever came up with this,
I could just kiss you.
we appreciate it.
I could just kiss you.
All right. Well, now that we've showed you how to do the Oreo cake in the microwave, we're going to do another version of it now with some ice cream and some caramel syrup on it and see how that turns out. I'm going to microwave it like I did before.
There you go.
Okay. Like before, I'm going to test it. If it comes out fairly clean, then it's done. So here's our base. Here's our black walnut ice cream. And a big old scoop here. You want just one?
Yeah.
Right there in the middle.
A big scoop.
Mm-hmm. That's a lot of cake there too. And your chocolate syrup.
That chocolate is caramel.
Or caramel.
Chocolate is that.
Yeah, that's true.
So what part of the Oreo is it made out?
All
The whole thing. All right, and there you have it. That's your way. You could also have whipped cream and everything else on it. But that's how you want it, so I'm gonna leave it that way.